Imagine spending billions of dollars on a project only to watch it fail in seconds. Some engineering mistakes changed history forever. Behind every disaster was one small decision that led to enormous consequences. Today, we'll uncover 10 engineering mistakes that cost billions of dollars and forever changed how the world builds. On July 17, 1981, a celebration inside a Kansas City hotel turned into one of the deadliest engineering failures in American history. Thousands of people gathered under the famous skywalks above the hotel lobby. But a hidden design mistake inside the structure was about to create a disaster. The problem was not the materials, it was a change in the connection design that weakened the entire walkway. When the connection failed, the walkways collapsed instantly, causing a tragedy that shocked the engineering world. The Hyatt Regency Hotel was designed as a modern symbol of innovation, but a small change in the structure created a hidden danger. Inside the building, two suspended walkways connected different floors above the crowded lobby. The original design used a connection system that was later modified during construction. That modification doubled the load on one critical connection. On that evening, hundreds of people gathered beneath the walkways, unaware of the danger above them. At 7:05 p.m., the celebration continued inside the hotel lobby. Nobody knew the structure above them was failing. Suddenly, the connection holding the upper walkway began to fail. The fourth-floor walkway collapsed onto the second-floor walkway, creating a devastating chain reaction. In just seconds, a normal evening became one of the worst structural failures in modern history. The investigation that followed revealed a critical engineering mistake that changed construction safety forever. After the collapse, engineers and investigators began searching for the reason behind the disaster. The investigation discovered that a change in the walkway connection design was the main cause of the failure. A small design modification increased the load on a critical connection beyond what it could safely support. The tragedy became a major lesson for engineers around the world about design review and construction communication. Today, this disaster is still studied in engineering schools as an example of how small mistakes can have massive consequences. After the disaster, engineers around the world changed the way they review structural designs. The lesson is simple. Even the smallest design decision can have enormous consequences. Safety, communication, and careful design are the foundation of every successful engineering project. The Hyatt Regency tragedy reminds us that engineering is not only about building higher and bigger, but building safer. The Hyatt Regency disaster changed construction standards and reminded engineers that every connection matters. Thousands of buildings around the world now benefit from the lessons learned from this tragedy. But this was not the only engineering mistake that changed history. From sinking ships to collapsing bridges, these failures revealed the hidden risks behind human innovation.